I'm back with another video, and this is Caden Miller. Check out my another YouTube channel, and we're in the woods, and I'm with Griffin, Xavier, my brothers, Landon Smith, and Caden Whitaker. So this is my new YouTube channel, because I got a phone now, so I won't be doing it on my tablet, and it will be a lot easier for you guys to see me now. So we used to go like in here and play with Airsoft Wars.
Hold your video.
Okay, guys, look. Right there's a foxhole. And
that's
right
a coyote.
There's a coyote.
I think there's something in there.
It's freaking huge. Okay, guys, now we found the pond. It's not really that big at all. Okay, so like right here it is. It's kind of like a swampy area. It's like right there.
Pond, guys. There's no.
Hey, guys, right there's another coyote.
Hey, guys,
hole,
I know what to do. Ready?
Okay, guys, I think I heard somebody. So we're going to be going this way. Okay, guys, we are stopped right here because we don't know what we're doing. Look at that sun. It's shining today. It's odd. Sorry about Caden cussing. In like 3 minutes, I'm going to be ending this video. So, okay, guys, we really don't even know where we're at. We are lost. Okay, guys, we think that we're safe because we have a baseball bat with us, too. Okay, guys, there's freaking thorns everywhere.
And I have shorts on.
And he has shorts on because he's kind of an idiot. But, yeah, it is bad. Okay, guys, this is the end of my video, so see ya.